Oh, sorry, I was not recording. So from here, I'm going to kick off the recording. For the sake of those who are going to be part of the session, I might just say a few words again to start all over because of the recording, so that at the end of the recording, I can send that to you. So I started by saying that my name is Henry. I've been on the industry for about a decade, and our goal is to simplify the convoluted Forex market to a three-step system whereby anybody can follow it and trade. Today, what I'm going to be showing you, we're going to be dwelling on the binary option market most precisely because it is very easy to appreciate. It is very easy to understand that I'm in point A, I want to get to point B. There's a three-step model that I can follow to get to point B, and that is what we have created. I'm also a programmer, and I also do automation. So if you have a trading strategy and you need somebody to automate it, we can also do that. Okay, it brings me back to this page where we are. So we have been able to break all of what we're going to be discussing today to just a 4-step. And the first one is more like a module one, and that has to do with the course that we have created. We have created a basic course that you can take it in one day, not knowing anything in the Forex market. So not knowing anything in the Forex market, just go through it in one day, and by the next day, you are going to start trading demo. And I can tell you categorically that on your day 3, you should start attempting to trade with money. If you can understand the cost and the money management calculator. How we are able to achieve that is by creating a simple arrow indicator that shows the trend and the direction of the market. There are more than 3,000 indicators on the MetaTrader. I tell you, I have used and tested all of them. All of them, there's none, except the one that somebody is creating by himself. I don't know. But as long as it's on the MetaTrader, I've tested all of them. Now, because of that, we have been able to come up with a system, and it is proven. You are going to see it for yourself. We all are going to see it live as it is working. And with that indicator, we have also been able to add up what we call the holy grail. Believe me, this is what is missing in the entire trading industry, especially with binary option, and that is a money management system. We have sat down to create a money management system that will help you to always sit in the money every time, and you're going to see it for yourself. Don't worry, it's going to be easy because we have also created a step-by-step installation guide manual, both video and PDF, that is going to guide you to set up and start up, whether you know nothing about the market or not. So that is it, and let me show you what we have here. What we have here is the system that we have created, and it's so simple. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the easiest thing that we have ever put together. Yes, it took a lot of experience and time to put this together, but I'm going to explain it to you in less than 2 minutes. So what we have created with binary options, for those who do not know binary options, you are making money in 60 seconds. So you are able to make between 85 to 95% of whatever you stake in 60 seconds. You don't have to sit down on your screen all day waiting for direction of the market or waiting for opportunity in the market like we do in the Forex market. If you understand binary option, you will never trade Forex again, believe me. And I have witnesses on this Zoom session. By the grace of God, my name is Henry Gabriel. I'm the #1 binary options trader in Nigeria and #4 globally. So please mute your system and just listen to me. So having said that, plus about a decade of experience, we have been able to put a system together that can get you started. Am I talking too fast? Am I talking too fast? Please, I want to hear you. I want to hear
your pace is cool. Your
Okay,
pace is cool.
good. So that
It's okay, sir, no problem.
okay, good. So that we can get into the nitty gritty of today's agenda. So really what we have created is so simple that anybody, people who are students, people who are preparing for retirement, people who are looking at, this is something I want to take serious. I'm tired with the convoluted situation of the Forex market, going backward, going forward today and losing your account and all of those discouragements. With this, you will never, ever lose your money again. Take it from me, and you are going to vouch it for yourself. Most of the people on this call are Forex traders, and some of them also understand the binary options market. Now, let's go straight to the point. What we have created is a non-repainted candlestick indicator. So it shows you the big arrow that you are seeing here. Where are my tools for my tool for annotations? Okay, the big arrow you are seeing here is what we call the trend arrow. So is the overall trend arrow. As soon as you see it, because it's facing down, please, that person should mute. That person should mute. Please help us, help us, help us. Please mute yourself, mute yourself. You have children in the background. Okay, so the big arrow you're seeing is actually the trend arrow. It's telling you that from now henceforth, all you should be looking at is sell. So with binary options, what you're looking at is a 60 seconds expiry. Now I'm going to state the rule to you. Rule 1, look for this. This is rule number 1. You are looking for this. This is your trend arrow. Rule number 2, you're waiting for a small arrow going down. And that is what you are taking. So that's it basically. That's what you're taking. So with that is what you're taking, please. Now, if you see this arrow, you're waiting for this arrow. You see this arrow, you see the green arrow, you are not taking it, please. Your ultimate trend is showing down. So you are only looking for the sell arrow. Now, so rule number 1, you are looking for this big arrow, this arrow that is empty. It's the ultimate trend arrow. The second one is that you are looking for this other arrow. As soon as this arrow comes, you are taking it for the next candle for 60 seconds expiry. I have a video that shows you how to do that on YouTube already. Don't worry, I'll guide you to that. So the idea is that when this arrow comes, the next candle is supposed to end as a red arrow, as a red candle. Then the third rule says that, if, for example, the red arrow comes like this, and the next candle is a green candle, take again for this other one going down. Is that clear? Am I clear enough? Or should I repeat?
Come again, come again.
Okay,
come
good.
Again.
From where? Let me, all over?
From the green
no, we'll see.
Okay, now, this is it. Rule number 1 says that we should look for this. This is the overall trend arrow for sell. This is the overall trend arrow for buy. Now, after we see this, after we see this arrow down, we are taking only sells, and that is this red arrow here. That's rule number 2. That's rule number 2. Rule number 3. So as you see this red arrow, if it comes out like this, you are expecting the next candle to go down. If that candle doesn't go down, for example, on a scenario like this one, you can see this small candle here is a green candle. So that's a loss. What we do again is that we take another trade after our loss using our next take, which I'm going to show you. We have also created a money management system that will recover any of your loss, and you'll see it. Now, if you have a situation whereby you have 2 consecutive losses by following rule number 2 and by following rule number 1 and rule number 2, wait for the new arrow to come and take your 3rd stake. Definitely, most definitely, you are going to recover. And let me show you what I mean. Now we have a red overall downtrend here. So we are only taking red. This guy come, this is a draw because it's a doji candle. We take it again, it's a win. Now, this is what I mean. After this arrow came, we took it here, it's a loss. We took it here, it's a loss. We wait. We are not going to take this green. No, we will not take this green arrow because our overall trend is still showing down. So we are waiting for a red arrow. This red arrow comes. We took it here. No. We took it here again. It's a win. By this spot, we have recovered all of our losses with profits. We go back to our first stake. It came here. This is a loss. We took it again. This is a win. We have recovered all of our losses. It came here. This is a win. It came here. This is a win. It came here. We lost it here. We took it again and we recovered our losses. We go back to our first stake. It came here, this one, and this is a win. Can you see? But look at what just happened. After that candle, we have this. So it means now we are going to start looking for buy, but buy didn't come out. Then the trend told us that it's going to continue. The arrow came out, but we are waiting for our small red confirmation arrows to come. None of them came out here. Then we have a green arrow that shows that market is now bullish. Pardon my drawing, please. So we have a green arrow that shows that market is now bullish. So now we are taking only green. It came out here, this is a win. It came out here, this is a win. It came out here, this is a win. It came out here, this is a draw. We took it again, this is a win. It came out here, 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 this loss. Then we take it again by the rule 2. Don't worry, I've done a video that explains this. I've done a video that explains this. So it came out here. This is a win. Can we see we have recovered our loss? We took it again here. We lost it, but our rule 2 say we should repeat. We should take again in the direction. Oh, sorry. Somebody would have told me we are making a mistake here. There's a mistake here. We're not supposed to take this trade. Sorry, we're not supposed to take. Yes, please. Please, we're not supposed to take these trades here. This trade, we're not, because the overall trend is now showing down. So please avoid this 1, 2, 3. Avoid it. So we're waiting for a red arrow. The red arrow didn't come, then and the overall trend continue bullish. Bullish means, for those who are newbies who don't know anything about trading, means the buyer's force is still in control. So it came out here. This is a win. So we have been winning all through. While the Forex guys are waiting for an opportunity to set up, we have just been making money. So it came out here. This is a loss. We took it again. We won it here. Now, this is that scenario I was telling you about. It came out here. We had 2 losses straight, and we wait. We respect ourselves and we wait. It came out here. This is a draw. We repeated it. It came down as a loss because the red arrow is a loss. We repeat it again because this now is our first take, because this was a draw and we won it. Boom. That's a win. We have recovered all of our losses. I want you to know that with this, we have not lost anything at all. I think we have not even gone beyond our 4th stake in total. Oh, I'm sorry. I made another mistake again. Somebody correct Correct me, please.
The
And
overall
that's
trend has changed, and we are
God,
still in that direction of.
God bless you. Who is speaking? Is that okay? That's Mr. Agbo. I think I understand. I recognize that voice. Okay, good. So the overall trend has changed. Good. Another thing I want to say is that how we built this system is that it doesn't bring signal during ranging market. So you can see that in all of this market, it avoided all of this noise that would have wasted our time. So all through, we wouldn't, there was no signal even coming. So don't even bother about it. No signal is coming. Then we waited until an overall trend came bullish, but there is no small confirmation arrow. Then we have a bearish now overall trend. Now, when the bearish came, we were waiting for the arrow to align with momentum and give us direction. So when it came here, this is a loss, but by our rule, we're supposed to take it again, and this is a win. It came here, the same thing is a loss, but our rule, we took it again, this is a win. Now, when it came here, after we took this, we took 1 and 2. By the taking of the second one, of course, the rule said that we should wait. Then, so we have to take our third stake now. We have to take our third stake. After this, then I'll show you the most important thing. So we have to take our third stake. Our third stake came, our overall direction is now bullish. It came up here, this is a buy, and that's a win. It came up here, this is a buy, and that's a win. It came up here, this is a buy, and that's a win. Oh, sorry, we had one here. So we had 1, 2, we wait. The signal came up here, we took our third stake, and it's a win for us. So it's still showing us bullish. It came here, we have 1, 2, we wait. We are not taking this red guy because overall trend is still showing bullish. It came up here, this is a draw and this is a win. Those, we have 1, 2, and we wait. Then the overall trend changed bearish. It came up here and this is a win. So we can see that all through from here to here, I think we have taken like more than, probably like about 15 or 20 trades thereabout. Like 20 trades thereabout, and we are actually in the money. So our system is saying we have just about 10 minutes. Let me run to the next thing, most importantly.
Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question?
Please just jot your question, then jot your question, I'll take it. So
Okay.
let me clean off all of this. Please just jot your question. I will also bring this screen again, probably at the end, and show it to you. And a lot of people ask me how they are supposed to trade with it. This is how you trade with it. You put it side, you load the system on your MetaTrader, put it side by side with any trading platform you're using. It could be IQ option, it could be Derive, it could be Pocket option, but I'm going to share a platform with you that is the best. Believe me, is the best for 2 reasons. So you put it by one, you put the trading platform, your MetaTrader by the side where you are getting your signal from here. Why your original trading platform, this could be Pocket option, this could be IQ option, this could be Derive, any binary option trading platform. You can choose any one of your choice. So, but I'm going to share one with you, and it's going to shock you. Even people who have known me, people who have trained, I've seen some of them on this platform. They are going to be blown away by what I'm going to share with them. With this. So this is how you actually put it. You put it side by side. This is going to be on one part of your screen while your trading platform is on this side. So as soon as the signal comes, you buy. You put your next stake, you put the next amount, you buy or you sell based on the signal. This is how you arrange it side by side. Now let's go to the next slide. And let me share this with you. Okay, good. I want to share this with you quickly. After this, I'll come back. This is something that was just posted today. It was posted today and I saw it in the news. You can see the logo is of course, is UBA posting it on behalf of the federal government. And this is what is called the federal government bond. Now, the federal government bond is paying 9.75% per annum. ARM, which is one of the biggest asset management platform in Nigeria, is paying 8% per annum. I want to shock you and show you something. Now, look at this. It's a 5-year bond, and the minimum requirement is $10,000. You can see it's $10,000. Let me show it to you. $10,000. If you don't have $10,000, you can't invest in this. And they are going to be paying you 9.5% per annum. Look at it, 9.5% every year. Before you can get your money back, it's going to be in 5 years. And if you look at the inflation rate in our nation, is about 24 and 30, between 24 and 35%, but they are going to be paying you 9.75%. It's only people who don't have sense that are going to put their money here, or people who don't know what to do with money that are going to put their money here. But I want to show you fact. This is what is happening. Let me show you other international fact. Some of the persons who know me very well know how much I adore people like Ray Dalio. Ray Dalio is the owner of Pure Alpha and also the owner of Bridgewaters, which is the biggest hedge fund company in that is open to the public. And Ray Dalio, you can carry your phone and check him out. Pure Alpha and Bridgewaters, what they pay is 11.5% per annum, or 12.5 or 12% per annum. Berkshire Hathaway, owned by Warren Buffett, what they do, those big mega companies, Aug is 20% per annum. The biggest result we have so far is owned by James Simons, who just passed away like some 3 weeks ago. He's a mathematician who became a multi-billionaire on the block. He does an average of 30 and 60% per annum, and that's James Simons. And that's because he used mathematical algorithm, and he has been doing that since 1984. As a matter of fact, we're just hearing about AI now. Jim Simons has been using AI for automated trading since 1984. So every time there's a market crash, Jim Simon is going to make money for people, for himself, and for every of his investors. As I speak to you now, he doesn't accept money from nobody. He only trades for himself, his family, and all of his employees and previous employees. He's a legend. You can check some of this. You can even take screenshots of whatever you're seeing here and vet them for yourself. So what I'm showing you is, these are real results. Why am I showing you this? I want to show you something. I want to show you something. And I want to show you something now that is going to blow your mind completely. Apart from this information, Warren Buffett actually placed a bet, for a 10 years bet. The entire S&P 500 were able to do only a gain of 125% in 10 years. That's the entire S&P 500. For those who understand investing, these are the top 500 biggest companies trading on the New York Stock Exchange market. They are able to do 125% per annum. But what I'm going to share with you is going to blow your mind. This is what will happen. We have just 3 minutes on the call. I'm going to stop it here and start the Zoom session again. I'm sorry about that. Now the reason is so that I can show you what our system is doing. Our system is doing more than 600% per annum, but I'll show you that. So I'm ending it here. I'm sending you the new link so that you guys can join.